Hello, my dear students. You are watching Brain Master Spoken English. What is the difference between smoking is not allowed in this restaurant and smoking is not allowed at this restaurant? Either preposition is acceptable. They are slightly different things, but the overall effect is the same. If we use in this restaurant, the statement applies to anyone who happens to be in that location. So it could apply to a delivery person who is delivering supplies for the restaurant, or a dishwasher who works at the restaurant, as well as to people who come to the restaurant to eat. Now, if we use at the restaurant, the statement is saying you are not allowed to smoke while you are a customer. While you are a customer at the restaurant, taking part in the activity associated with the restaurant, that is eating. But the delivery person and the dishwasher are in the restaurant, not taking part in the activity associated with the restaurant. We may put it in a simple way for better understanding. Smoking is not allowed at the restaurant is addressed to customers of the restaurant, but smoking is not allowed in this restaurant is addressed to any person who enters the restaurant for any purpose. We should examine some sentences to clearly know the difference in the use of in and at. Take a look at these examples. The children are at school at the moment, but they should back home in about an hour. It means they are taking part in the activities connected with the school. Here it clearly means they are getting an education. Next sentence, the parents are in the school attending a parent-teacher meeting. It means they are inside the school building, but they are not taking part in the activities connected with the school. They are not getting an education. I hope that you have got clear concept where to use at or in. In this case, if you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please you subscribe it now. Thanks a lot.